Ever wonder why your GnuCash ledger isn't balancing during reconciliation lately? Let's find out what's going on. Welcome. Every day, I break down personal finance questions asked on Stack Exchange, highlight the community's best answers, and sprinkle in some actionable takeaways. If you're into learning a little more about money each day, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now let's dig into today's question. Today we're exploring a common question. Why does a reconciliation error occur in GnuCash's latest version? Here's the original question as it was posted to Stack Exchange. I'm going to scroll through it quickly so you can see the whole question, but feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry. After this, I'll walk you through the key points of the question so you get the big picture. So in summary, this GnuCash user is diving into reconciliation auto entry for the first time and thought they had it all wrapped up. But now their ledger popped up with two unexpected balancing entry from reconciliation records. They're scratching their head, trying to figure out if the dates on these mysterious entries match the date of the odd transaction, even though they've used GCash for years. Here's the top-rated answer from the community on Stack Exchange. I'll scroll through it quickly so you can see the full answer. Feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry, I'll highlight the key points of this answer in just a few moments. In this answer, it's explained that GnuCash needs the reconciliation date and bank account balance to start reconciling. Users select transactions to aim for a zero difference. If reconciliation doesn't work, GnuCash can create a balancing transaction to fix any issues. Now, before we jump into the next part, if this video has been helpful so far, be sure to tap the like button and subscribe to the channel. We post new personal finance videos every day to help you make smarter money moves. All right, now that we've seen what the community had to say, here's our take on this question. Always ensure the reconciliation date matches the bank statement's date to prevent unexpected entries. Double-check each transaction amount against the bank's records to catch any errors. Only include transactions that have cleared the bank to avoid discrepancies. So here's what we've learned. It's crucial to match the reconciliation date with the bank statement date to avoid surprises. Verify transaction amounts align with bank records for accuracy, and only mark cleared transactions. Remember, balancing entries appear on the reconciliation date, not the transaction date. Thanks for watching. Before you go, did you learn something new from this video? If so, be sure to drop a like on the video to let us know.